Can flamingos teach us something about balance? Let's find out. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat. Keeping one leg tucked saves energy and helps them stay warm. Here's a fun twist. Flamingos are naturally gray, not pink. They turn pink from the shrimp and algae they eat. Pretty cool, right? Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. This remarkable preservation is due to honey's unique chemical composition. Its low water content and acidic pH create an environment hostile to bacteria and microorganisms. So, the next time you drizzle honey on your toast, remember, you're enjoying a timeless wonder that has been cherished for millennia.